Can you have a wrist thing for this one?
Loose-fitting shoes, cell phones.
I'm so glad this camera's in front of my face as a distraction, because I don't think I'd... Oh, shit.
Almost over.
Even this is too high for me now, Mark.
Oh, jeez.
Fuck, Jesus.
Your house is higher than that.
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't. And it tilts you as well.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, God. It's so tall. It's so... This channel is all about facing my fears, right? That's the whole reason I set it up. Fear of heights.
Hyperia?
Hyperia is easy.
Fearless. Face your fearless.
Hyperia is easy. Every UK ride is easy. America is just, everything's bigger over here. Even your Coca-Cola's bigger. Oh my God. How long does it keep you at the top?
I don't know. I haven't ridden in like 10 years.
Jesus Christ. Oh, Mark, this is horrendous, man. Oh, okay, I think we're near the top. Oh my, no. Oh my God, that's horrible. Oh my God, dude. I do not like this. Get me down now. What the shit? I don't want to ever do that again.
So smooth.
I don't want to ever do that again. Oh. Shit. Yeah, I know I'm shaking. That was horrendous. This hand just, look, I'm trying to hold it steady, but it keeps shaking. That was genuinely the most terrifying drop tower I've ever done. It's all about feeling the fear and doing it anyways, and I definitely felt the fear. I'm still feeling it, and I need some sort of recovery for that. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.